Dear students, today we are going to discuss on power system stability. This topic is related to the power system. So basically the definition of power system stability, the power system stability refers to ability of power system to return back to its normal operating conditions when subjected to disturbances, maintain synchronism under all conditions. Types of stability. There are basically two types of stability. Number one, steady state stability. Another one is transient stability. Steady state stability are further classified as two types. Number one is static, another one is dynamic. So steady state stability, it restricted to small and gradual changes in the operating condition or to regain synchronism after small and slow disturbances. Bus voltage should be closer to their nominal values. Another one is transient stability. Regain synchronism after large disturbances, sudden short circuit, opening of transmission line, switching operations. Static stability, it is further classification of steady state stability. To regain synchronism after small and slow disturbances. Stability that prevails without aid of automatic control devices such as governors and voltage regulators. Dynamic stability. To regain synchronism after small and slow disturbances. Stability that prevails with aid of automatic control devices concerned with small disturbances. Stability studies. Why? Basically to find critical clearing time of circuit breaker, protective schemes of relay, to determine the voltage labels, transfer capability between the system, factors influencing the power system stability. It carried out by using digital computers. Stability limit. Maximum power that can be transferred in a network between source and loads without loss of synchronism. Steady state is the maximum power that can be transferred without the system becoming unstable when the load is increased gradually or maybe in case of small disturbances in the line. Transient limit, maximum power that can be transferred. Power transmission capability, how much power that can be transferred from source to load. Basically there are mathematical expression, that is P is equals to E V by X into sin del. Basically it can also be written as Vs into Vr by X sin del, but here basically P represent power transfer source to load, E sending end voltage, V receiving end voltage, X transmission line reactance, delta or del load angle. Methods of improving steady state stability. According to this mathematical expression, by increasing the power transfer capability can be improved. P can be increased by increasing E, it means the sending end voltage, and or V, it means the receiving end voltage, or by reducing the reactance, it means X, transmission line reactance. Use of double circuit line. Reactance of double circuit line is less than single circuit line. Continuity of supply when other is out of service. Number second, use of bundled conductor. The mathematical expression is written here. The reactance is also written here for the inductance. X is equals to 2 pi F into L. Series capacitor, X equivalent is equals to XL minus XC, but the series capacitor is costly. Higher source voltage, limited to 765 kilovolt, as voltage is proportional to insulation. Methods of improving transient stability: by reducing reactance or by reducing X. High speed fault clearing. If circuit breaker operates fastly, then fault clearing time will be less. Single phase switching. Separate circuit breaker for each phase. Assume the fault is in phase B, then the corresponding phase B breaker will open and the other phase by and R will be closed to maintain the continuity of supply, because the three phase represent by R, by and B. Fast governing control valve operation. If mechanical power is controlled at faster rate by controlling governing valve. Shunt capacitor for voltage control at receiving end voltage. There are some questions. You can given the answer in the comment. The question number 1, write power flow equation, because you are already studied in today's presentation. Write types of steady state stability. If line reactance is increased, then power flow will be either may be increase or decrease. It can be written in the comment. P can be increased by increasing or blank. You put 2 answer in question number 4. Thank you very much for listening patiently.
ईयरफोन लगा लेते तो अच्छी आवाज़ आती, आसपास की आवाज़ नहीं आती।
आने दो ना, उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है।
इससे बच्चों को डिस्टर्बेंस